Alright guys, so we're gonna check this pole out. It was upright and then it kind of tilts it. We'll see. Alright, let's go to the next spot.
This is for the fathers around the globe. We love you more than you'll ever know. For the strength you gave me, you're truly amazing. Happy Father's Day. Place you on the highest pedestal. We love you more than you'll ever know. You chose to man up, you chose to stand up. Happy Father's Day. From my first breath to my first steps, Pops, you took me under your wing.
Good morning, anglers. This is Anglers 48 coming to you from Hidalgo County, Texas, guys. Hope all is well. What's in store? We're doing some freshwater fishing. 3 poles already in the water. We got a variety of baits. We got chicken liver. We got cut hot dogs. We have a we got some flour dough, right? Flour dough for some carp, and some cut bait. So yeah, just got here, a little brisk. Tony, he's in northern Hidalgo County and he's doing some fishing where I lost that massive catfish. So he's gonna try to get that catfish that I lost, right? So we're gonna get to work, guys, here in Hidalgo County. Let's get to work. Guys, we have a fish on, guys. Fish on. Man, it's a fighter, guys. All right, guys. Yes. Yes, guys. Wow. On the dough bait, guys. On the dough bait. Right here, guys. Fish on. Fish on, boys. Look at that, guys. Fixed it up this morning. Well, fixed it up yesterday. Perfected it today. Oh my goodness. He got it off, guys. Man. Well, it's dirty now, guys, but look at that, man. It's a beauty. Tony, Captain Tony, he's still fishing north of Hidalgo County, and he's gonna continue trying his luck. But we got a good one, guys. Let's go. Fish on, guys. We got a fish. We got a fish. Fish, boys. We got a fish. Nice. Nice, guys. This one is not my Aunt Lupa's catfish. We're still in search for her catfish, okay? For the catfish. It's supposed to be in this area, guys. And again, it fell off the hook, guys. It seems that all my catfish get all dirty, right? But that's okay, guys. Let me rebait, guys. We're still trying to catch my Aunt Lupa's catfish for the 3rd time in a row. Let's go. All right, guys. We have another fish on, guys. Fish on. Man, this one's got a nice belly right there, guys. Fish on. Let's go, guys. Fish on. massive takedown a while ago, and it got away. It got away, boys. But look at this. This is a beauty with chicken liver, guys. My goodness. Flying solo, guys. Here